Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy, quick and step on how to pay with Venmo on SHEIN. So here's a simple guide and steps for you to be able to pay with Venmo on SHEIN. So the first thing to do is your first step is open the SHEIN app or go to the SHEIN website. So on the step 2, you have to add items you want to shop, or you have to add items to your shopping bag and tap checkout. So enter the shipping address and confirm the delivery details. So on the payment method page, select PayPal, and when redirected to PayPal, choose pay with Venmo. So make sure your Venmo is linked to PayPal and approve the payment using your Venmo app. Confirm the transaction. You will be redirected back to SHEIN with your order confirmation, and Venmo will also send you a payment notification. And that's how you can easily pay with Venmo on SHEIN. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide. Thanks.